wuxi ZHONGHUI Wire and Cable Company Limited, commonly known as ZHONGHUI, is a professional manufacturer focused on the production of electrical wires and cables, power cables, as well as photovoltaic wires. We have been in business since 2001, and since that time, we have perfected our products as well as our production process. In addition, we are in full compliance with China Quality Management Certification, UL certification from the US, VDE and TUV certifications from Germany, as well as safety certificates from 24 countries, including Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Argentina, and many European countries. We have established performance test labs with complete testing facilities. The laboratory is very eco-friendly, fully complying with the environmental policies of the European Union. Our manufacturing complex is fully equipped with best-in-class production equipment. In addition, our fully automatic plug production line helps to realize a strict management of the manufacturing process. Therefore, our PVC products fully meet customers' requirements and are available in a wide range of options and are ideal for use with power tools, water pumps, household appliances, and electrical industries. The workshop shown behind me is an electrical wire and cable production workshop, fully equipped with high-speed bunching machines and a high-speed cabling machine, plastic extrusion machine, and a continuous vulcanizing line. Our continuous vulcanizing line features a best-in-class monitoring system for outer diameter, air pressure, and speed. Thus, the production and operation condition of different production lines is fully controlled. This is ZHONGHUI's plug manufacturing workshop, which is outfitted with a cable cutter and roller stroping machine, silent terminal crimping machine, cable crimping machine, injection molding machine, and automatic plug tester, etc. Meanwhile, besides this common manufacturing equipment, ZHONGHUI is also equipped with many semi-automatic or fully automatic production lines, especially these 3 fully automatic production lines, allowing the completion of multiple manufacturing procedures from cable cutting to cable supports installation in one operation. Utilizing our meticulous manufacturing system, labor costs are reduced while production efficiency and product quality are improved. ZHONGHUI has established a comprehensive series of testing procedures, ensuring that 99% or more products are qualified for delivery. These products seen before me here are power cables, one category of featured electrical cables in ZHONGHUI. These power cables are divided into two categories, one of European standard and the other of British standard. This one is a 2.5 amp power cable, which is ideal for use with small household appliances. It may be directly connected to a household appliance. Meanwhile, if additional cable length is needed, our cable could also serve as an extension cord with charging connector. These are 16 amp dual conductor cables. These cables always yield the largest production output at ZHONGHUI. The power cable is optimally applied in electronical devices and gardening instruments for indoor and outdoor use, whose length and terminal could be customized according to different applications. These two power cables are 16 amp waterproof power cables. The main difference is their core numbers, one with 2 cores and the other 3 cores. When compared with the above power cables, these two have larger ends and a higher IP rate when coupled with a waterproof socket, which is about IP44. These are 3-core, non-waterproof power cables, which fully meet with the European standard. They are the major European power cables at ZHONGHUI. In order to meet diverse requirements of a wide array of customers, ZHONGHUI provides a comprehensive customization service. Attributes such as power cable's color, material, cable type, as well as the treatment for its ends are all customizable. In addition to the above power cables, we provide many other qualified cables for customers at ZHONGHUI, which fully meet with the standards from Britain, the United States, Brazil, Argentina, South Korea, Switzerland, Australia, and other countries and regions. Seen here are the major electrical wires and cables supplied by ZHONGHUI, including sheathed cables and single-core non-sheathed wires. Sheathed cables could be categorized into PVC sheathed cables and rubber sheathed cables. They are all produced using eco-friendly materials, and their colors and cross-section could be customized according to clients' preferences and applications. Our single-core non-sheathed cables feature either a hard conductor or soft conductor. They could be used either for the direct connection with household appliances or household wires. If required, customers may submit their requirements of conductors, and we will customize the desired product to 100% client satisfaction. Currently, we produce electrical wires and cables in full compliance with the standards from China, the US, Canada, South Korea, Germany, and Australia. But ZHONGHUI is never satisfied with current achievements. We are continuously striving for the development of our products.